Presenting the Stinger On-the-Go Insect Zapper, easily portable for many types of outdoor activities. It can be used when enjoying the deck or patio, while gardening, having a picnic, or camping. This insect zapper covers an area up to 400 square feet. It features a replaceable black UV bulb that can attract and kill up to 40% more flying insects. To set up, simply insert the Stinger No-Skeeto Octanol lure to help draw the insects to the zapper. First, peel foil cover. Then, place the lure in the bug tray and close. This portable device offers various ways to power the unit. 4 AA batteries or a USB cord that can be plugged into a USB outlet or used with your own 5-volt adapter. Use on your table or hang it near your patio or campsite, approximately 10 to 14 feet from intended activity. To use, select bug zapping mode or ambient light only. After several months of use, you'll know when it's time to change the bulb because it will turn yellow or orange. To replace the bulb, turn the zapper off, remove the bug tray, remove the old bulb, and insert a new Stinger replacement bulb. Make sure it's properly seated. Enjoy the benefits of outdoor activities wherever you are with your Stinger On-the-Go Insect Zapper. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit stingerproducts.com.